This looks like a boutique headband, but it is actually simple moss stitch in half double crochet. The vine and the flowers completely changes the look. If you need help with the moss stitch, I linked the tutorial in the description. Get started making this headband. I'm going to make half double crochets instead of single crochet for this moss stitch pattern. That's why I chained extra 2 stitches after the even number of stitches for the width. So on the third chain from the stitch, I'm going to make 1 half double crochet, then chain 1, skip 1, make another half double crochet and repeat up to the end, and ending with the 1 half double crochet, meaning 1 half double crochet in the stitch and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. I will link the moss stitch single crochet pattern. I made a scarf with that. I link that pattern to this video in the description. This is the moss stitch pattern I made for the headband. Now we will make some surface crochet. Bring that loop up to the front. Then we are going to insert the hook in the nearby place. So this is like a windows, so we can go through these open spaces created by the chains. It may not be very straight, but still it is okay, because in nature the vines are not really straight. You can place it some to the off side, like I am placing it to my left side. Then I can go a slightly curved, placing it towards my right side. If you make a sharp turn like this one, from this to this, look what it will look like this, right? So that is not that great for a natural looking leaves and vines going. So we just do a little bit curving, not like a sharp turns. So you go ahead and finish your vines, and we will meet in the end. Now my